Thank you for joining the Jarvis Farm. Today, the topic we are going to talk about is about animal health health in our farms. Most of the time, I can easily say all of the time, when we walk into farms for consultation, sometimes immediately we walk into the farm, we can see where the problems are. And when we ask the farm what was given to the sheep, because anytime you start talking about medication, it's because you have suspected that this is the problem with the sheep. That's why you are thinking about giving that particular sheep that medication. The reason you always ask is because if we think that the sheep needs this kind of medication to recommend for their vet to give it to the sheep, and that's what was given to the sheep, it's like we are giving a double dose. That's why we always ask what was given to the sheep. Unfortunately, if not all of these farms that we visited, most of them never produced a medical health card, and they don't even know what was given to their sheep. This is something you need to know. When a vet walks into your farm and treats your animals, you need to know what medication was given to the sheep. It's very, very important. So today, we are going to talk about the importance of animal medical card. And I will suggest you grab a pen and a paper, because at the end of this video, I'm going to help you design a basic animal medical card for your farm. Like this video, share, comment, and follow the Jarvis Farm. In a farm, every sheep is supposed to have a name. The sheep is supposed to have a file. And among the files, what the sheep needs to have is a medical card. When we walk into a farm,